Well, hello. I am here to review the process of creating formative assessments with Flubaroo. I created this document here that has a step-by-step set of instructions, but I thought I'd go ahead and add a video to help you with that. Okay? So you can also access this document by this short URL right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab, and then I'm going to click over here where this little grid is, and then I'll see Drive. So I'm going to go into my Drive. I've actually already created my form, so I did the first thing. So I made this quiz here, and remember, when you make your quiz, we have to, let's double check and make sure a couple of the things are completed already. The top two check boxes are selected. And the other thing, when you're in your form, this button, View Responses, it could be for you that it says something like, well, let's see, I put it over here. You may see Choose Response Destination. So that's what you might see in that location. If that's the case, when you click that, there's a choice to always create a new spreadsheet. I recommend doing that. So I created my questions. I actually this time picked a choose from a list. It's just a drop down. It's pretty much like multiple choice. Looks a little different. I have some check boxes that you can select more than one. And then I have a multiple choice. So once you've created your quiz, you're going to, according to my document here, we want to check the two boxes, which I did. I got that done. I have my spreadsheet. Now I'm going to add the tools. Okay? So let's go ahead and add the tool called Flubaroo to my spreadsheet. So there I'm back in my form again. Let's go ahead and go over to the View Responses. It will will open up my spreadsheet. And here I'm going to go over into Tools. And then I'm going to click on Script Gallery. In the search window, I'm going to type Flubaroo, hit search. And now I'm going to install the script that will do some really cool things. So I'm going to click Install. Takes a minute to install. It's still installing. Now I see this button that says needs authorization, so you have to click Continue. And then it says all these things that it's going to do. You want to click Accept. And now I click Close. Now I see there's a menu item called Flubaroo. Okay? So now I'm going to want to, according to my document here, let's make the short URL. Okay? So the way I make a short URL so that my students can access it, in my form here, I'm going to click on View Live Form. It's going to open a new tab. This is what my form looks like. I can also see that this collecting username is working. It says it right there. So I'm going to copy that URL. I'm going to make a new tab and go to the URL shortener, goo.gl. And I'm going to paste my long URL. I'm going to click Shorten. And this right here is going to be my short URL I'll maybe put on the board or on my flip chart. So I'm going to copy that. I got a flip chart open down here. I'll go ahead and open that up. So I can just copy and paste from goo.gl into a flip chart. And there's my short URL. Remember, that's case sensitive. They got to type in the capital letters when it's a capital. Back to my URL shortener. You should go into Details. And in details, you have a QR code that's also made. I'm going to right-click the image of the QR code. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it into my flip chart. And I'm going to resize it. This is really handy if you're using the iPads. For this, you would need to use a QR code reader such as Enigma. Now, back to my quiz. The next thing that I want to do is I want to make sure I take the quiz. There it is, step 7, choose the right answers. I still have my quiz up here. Let's see, there it is. So I'm going to go in here. Nacho's given name, of course, is Ignacio. What did Nacho say in the movie? He said that, and that, and that, that, and that. Okay, components of his luchador training. He did some of that. Did not weightlift. He did that. He actually didn't do any wrestling. He did that, interestingly enough, and that. And lastly, beneath the clothes you find the man, and beneath the man you find his nucleus. Submit. Now I have the right answers in my spreadsheet. There it is. It is shown up. Okay? Now, let's go back to our directions. Students, take the quiz. Okay. So I have over here Google up. I'm going to sign in as a student. I have a test account for a student here. Good, I understand the password. Now I'm logged in. I'm going to go ahead and paste the URL since I already have it copied here. I'm just going to go ahead and grab this URL here. Oh, maybe I won't. Oh, interesting. Okay, let me go ahead and go over here and click on my URL shortener. I'm going to copy this URL where I have my test account logged in here. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. I'm going to go to my form. I am going to pick some answers in here, and we'll see. And we'll pick that. All right, I got my answers. I'm going to submit. It's been recorded. Also, let me go back. They don't need to click this button, send me a copy of the responses. Okay, so we got a student that's taken the quiz. And now, on the teacher side, we have a set of responses. I actually have the answers and then one response. So at this time, I'm going to go ahead and run the script. I'm going to click Flubaroo. I'm going to grade the assignment. That's worth a point. Username identifies. Okay, that looks all good. Continue. This is the answers right there. I click continue. It's going to grade for a second. It's going to create another spreadsheet, another sheet actually down here, and it says grades. I click view grades. I only have one student that has taken the test, and they earned a 50%. It is highlighted in red, indicating that they didn't do so well. Also, it identifies questions that in yellow that the class had difficulty with. Here's a live, or more real example, I guess, in some responses here. I click over here on grades. I have some students that have taken this one. And here you can see red indicating below 70%. And this question here, students had difficulty with. While the other questions, if I scroll down, I can see they were above 70% as a class average. Okay. Well, there's one more step actually on my Nacho quiz. I'm going to click in Flubaroo again, one more time. I'm going to click Email Grades. The email would be the username. I'm going to include the answer key. Maybe I can put some instructions here. If you scored below 70%, I'm going to click Continue. And then it's going to email just one email. So then the students, what they're going to see, let's see if I still have it open. I might have to open and I might have closed that. So let me go ahead and log in as my test account again. Remember, the domain is trsdstudents.org. Oops, I messed that up. Okay, let me go into my mail. I'm going to click this button here, and I should have an email. It says no reply. Just click OK there. There it is, no reply. And it gives me the answers. Green is good, and that is it. Thank you.